What is good everyone, Chris here, welcome back to the channel, and today we're talking about prints. Beautiful, beautiful work of art. You're probably wondering, can you print this big out of a, let's say, 12 megapixel sensor or a 16 megapixel sensor or a 10 megapixel sensor and so on and so forth? And the answer is yes. Hey, what is good everyone, Chris here, welcome back to the channel, and today I wanna do a short video about printing and how can you enhance your photos to be able to print in huge formats like these ones here, like let's say 20 by 10 or 24 by 36 or so on and so forth. Well, Adobe just came up with a new feature in their Adobe Photoshop 2021. It's called Enhance, and it might be hidden for some of you. Actually, I couldn't find it for a while because I was very curious to find out if that Enhance ability that a software has can basically destroy the file that you are loading in, or it can improve it. So if you are into printing and if you like to print big prints, this might be for you. If you don't, subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up and go check out the videos, because we have tons here about photography and sometimes about gadget that we're using in conjunction with photography. Nonetheless, let's talk about Adobe Enhance. So like I said, it's a feature that Adobe released, and it's easy to use. You just have to load any kind of file. They say I tried with the JPEG on my M1 and it doesn't work. I can't find the feature when I'm loading a JPEG in the Camera Raw. But if you're loading a RAW file, whatever megapixels it has, it doesn't matter. You will be able to quadruple the megapixels on that file with just a button. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, before I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you that I'm impressed of the quality that came out of the files after they were enhanced by a software. And basically AI that Photoshop and the guys from Adobe are releasing to let's say help others like me and you, who maybe we're not using huge sensors. Maybe we are trying to print our portraits, our family portraits, and put them on the walls, and that is very, very useful. So let's get into Adobe Photoshop for a little bit, and I'm gonna show you exactly how easy it is to enhance a photo. So here in Adobe Photoshop, we are loading the photo. Like I said, it's better if it's a raw file because it's totally unscattered and altered by any kind of editing. So you're loading the file, and then you are clicking on these 3 points right here in the corner, and there you go. This is the option called Enhance. You're pressing Enhance and you have this pop-up that comes on top of your photo. And the thing is, there was an old version of this Enhance that now it's grayed out, and the new one, it's right here, and it tells you that you have to be patient for the software to do its job. You press Enhance and it gives you actually a preview of how long it's gonna take to enhance the file that you uploaded, and that's pretty much it. After that, you have a file that is quadruple in megapixels. Isn't that amazing? The quality, it's pretty good. It feels sometimes that it's even better than the original file, especially for the low megapixel cameras and sensors, 10, 12 megapixel, maybe 16 megapixels, but definitely it doesn't damage the file much. And the sharpness that they add is a bit, crunchy, but it helps you, especially when you print. I think that they came up with this version of Enhance just because people were asking for having the ability to create these big files so they can print in large formats. So yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. I think this feature will help you print. I wanted to mention it and have it here on the channel because a lot of people are getting into, let's say, analog photography and prints and stuff like that. You can scan your film and enhance it if you want to print it big, though the 35 megapixel slide can be printed up to 24 by 36 with pretty much no issues, depending on whatever film you're shooting, on whatever camera you're shooting, a lens, and so on and so forth. And lenses are super important. I'm always trying to say that. Forget about bodies, just get the good glass, because good glass always pays off and will offer you and give you that quality and that color rendition and sharpness that you need, especially for prints. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoying these videos, and as you can tell, the studio is changing. And talking about prints, I have two right here. None of these are enhanced. Actually, I shoot them, I think it was an A7R III. One is in Las Vegas, and this one was shot actually from my room through a window and cleaned up a little bit in Photoshop. And the other one is a photo that I took to the Golden Gate Bridge like 3-4 years ago, probably, something like that. That looks amazing. It's a sunset with a lot of color and a lot of sharpness. I love the way they look, and I am pushing you guys to print more. Print is super important, as pretty much as important as you have to document everything around you. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and create this community that I am willing to take on and moderate it through my videos and help you guys understand photography. Also, give these videos a thumbs up. It's super important with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps me understand how good I am in what I'm doing. And I will definitely see you in a bit.